Hello and welcome, it's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on this little oval. It's for a gift. It's kind of egg-shaped for Christmas, but I'm going to see what I can do with this. I think I will be doing some swiping on it, but yeah, let's get into it. I think I'm going to do a white base. So it's just pouring my white pre-mixed paint on there. The pouring medium for this, my paint recipe, is in the drop-down box underneath this video. So this is just the same, mixed exactly the same as all my other colours. It's kind of a bit of an off-white, so I just want to put that down to start with. Kind of got a thing in my mind, but this week, for whatever reason, whatever I've had planned has gone south. It's just gone out the window, so I don't really want to discuss what I'm going to do until only as I'm doing it. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna cover my canvas with my swirls and whirls. This is the metallic copper, and I'm gonna put some metallic, I think it's metallic black, but it kind of looks grey, metallic grey. So, ooh, I had a bit of a blob drop there. What's going on? I've had these colours mixed up a fair few days, so hoping it's all right. I will work it out as I go along. I've got to put some of this gorgeous turquoise because it goes lovely with those colours. So this isn't a metallic, it's just the global turquoise. There you go. Gorgeous colours regardless, just lovely. Very, very nice. I will just add a bit of the phthalo blue. I'll say I'm going to try and keep it minimalistic. That's funny coming from me. Very funny, minimalistic. It's just not me. But anyhow, I will give this a tilt around and kind of do a style that I used to do when I first started, which was basically pouring all the paint over the canvas, doing exactly what I've done, swiping, which I'm going to do, and we'll go from there. Lovely colours regardless. It's just really beautiful colours. I love them. So what I may do, I'm going to go back to swiping with the full sheet. This is a soft plastic file divider, just nice and soft. You can wash it and wash it and wash it, and just keep reusing it. So that's a really good thing to have. They come in about a pack of 6 or 10. They're called, you get them from office supply stores, called soft plastic file divider. So this is the Amsterdam paint and Floetrol mixed together. So I want to do a center swipe with my whole thing. Let's see how we go with this. I'll start here because then I can just lightly, oh my goodness, look at those colours. Oh, that is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Just wiping off your file divider in between your swipes, just so you don't get your paints muddy. I might just go down this side before. Trying this on this size canvas too, which I will give as a gift if it turns out nice, but I really want to try this that I'm thinking of on a very large canvas, so I'll see how it goes. So I'm going to put my file divider again in that white. Let's swipe it. Oh, look at that. There's no silicone in any of these paints. It is the Floetrol, I believe, and the that's making the lacing go lacy. That's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. The colours are just beautiful. Really lovely. I have to bring you down to see these lovely cells. But in the meantime, I'll give them a go over with my heat wand. Now, what I'm thinking is, I don't know if this is going to work, and I hope to goodness that it doesn't spoil it, but I have some Berry Delicious here, which is the custom colour that I make out of the cool red, add a good dash of phthalo blue, and then if you want it to go even darker cherry, you add a little dash of black. I'm getting hot again in here now. It was a bit cooler to start with, and now I'm going hot. Anyway, I have some bits of card cut up that I want to use to swipe. I'm going to kind of do a reed effect through that, hopefully. So I am going to dip this, I'm going to dip it into my Berry Delicious. Start from here maybe. Do some reeds. It's yeah, kind of an odd. So it's not a tree swipe, it's a reed swipe. Do some smaller ones. Kind of a under the sea type thing, isn't it? It's good to be under the sea. Wow, I like it. I like that very much. There you go. I'll give it a hit with my wow. Wow, wow, wow. Probably have done way too many reedy wavy things, but it kind of it's given me another idea for something else, but I'll just bring you down closer to have a look at these gorgeous cells. So here we are. Look at these cells. Oh my goodness, they are Simply delicious. My kind of reedy things. Maybe I went overboard with the reedy things, but the effect is kind of looks like a 3D effect in there. I mean, probably if I did some, I could do like a reflection coming back, some of the reeds back down the other way as though they're reflecting on the water. It's kind of like a surreal. But look at those beautiful cells in there, well, lacing. It's just gorgeous, and it's very shimmery because of all of that metallic paint. So you guys, I so hope that you enjoyed this quick little ditty today. I love these colours, so I'll definitely be working some more with these right after this one. So until tomorrow, please join me tomorrow. I will be back with something else. So you take care, you people, and I really appreciate you spending the time watching my little art journey. So until tomorrow, bye for now.